Introducing the Kolver Mini Torque Tester, a compact and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with utmost precision. This innovative tester combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an essential addition to any quality control process. With a wide torque range covering 0.4 to 8.9 inch-pounds, the Kolver Mini Torque Tester caters to various applications, ensuring accurate measurements for both low and high torque requirements. Its dual transducer capability, with a built-in transducer and the ability to connect to an external transducer, offers versatility in measuring different torque ranges. Utilizing advanced circuitry, this torque tester collects, stores, and downloads torque measurements, enabling comprehensive analysis of tools and joints. The user-friendly menu and intuitive controls simplify operation, allowing users to quickly and easily access the desired functions. The Kolver Mini Torque Tester supports multiple measurement units, providing flexibility for different applications and industries. Its accuracy of 0.5% and overload protection of 125% of transducer capacity ensure reliable and precise measurements. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Kolver Mini Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, dual transducer capability, and user-friendly interface make it an indispensable tool for quality control professionals. Invest in this compact and reliable torque tester to ensure precise and accurate measurements in various applications.